Hi, in our last video, we have seen how can we go ahead and create a process design document using task capture. And in the last video, we have seen a complete process of creating a process design document, uploading it into the documentation part of the automation hub. So as part of the today's video, we will proceed with the next step in automation hub with the created process or the submitted idea, which we have earlier submitted as a recruitment process automation. So let's get started. Over to you, Shrippad.
Hey, thanks, Nisarg. Very good evening to everyone. So we are on the recruitment process automation, and as Nisarg has explained, we already got the process in place. So let's click on actions next, and the first one is we have to click on launch assessment. The moment I click on launch assessment, it will say, "Are you sure you want to launch the assessment for automation?" And it's positive yes, launch success. All right. This is what we see now. Okay. There are detailed questions that we need to fill in, okay? And these are the details that we need to further update, okay? So let's start with the edit mode. Now, what's the automation name? What's the automation ID? Now, this being my first automation, so I would name it as 01. Okay, resume screening and capturing candidate details. That's the description. Automation area, all good. What are my pain points? Manual intervention required for identifying the resumes, capturing data, pain points. Accuracy is often not achieved as copy paste errors are observed. All the data are not captured in the are not captured. So that's it. What is the negative impact? Negative impact, uh, recruitment process takes a long time when the operations require immediate resource for their ongoing projects. Okay. High level assessment is already been done. So yes, sir, we don't need to do this, right? It's
Yes,
all good.
exactly. So we
Yeah.
have already done it previously.
Now, automation goal, primary reason to automate this process. For me, the primary reason to automate this process is to improve the quality, okay, more than the cost. Process changes expected in the next 6 months, minor change expected. Application change expected in the next 6 months, no change accepted. All right. Employee profile, average working days per year. Okay, this is important. So 22 man days in a month. So that would be 365 into 22. Let me just calculate this for you. Sorry, add one. 22 into 12. 264. Okay, I'm counting this wholesome. I'm not taking in the consideration for the holidays. Okay, so working hours per day is 9 hours. Average employee full cost per year is optional, and I would let it stay there. Okay, I'm not putting in the cost. Task or process frequency. This happens daily. Activity volume average per selected frequency. So daily we have at least around 20 resumes to be screened. Average processing time for one resume takes around 15 minutes, and total processing time is this much. Error rate is 20% as of now. Okay, average rework is 10%. So 10 minutes, sorry. Percentage of total volume, so that's fine. Average time, yes, 10 minutes is required if there is any error that we need to fix it. So total rework time is 176 per hours per year. That's fantastic calculation. Average work to be reviewed or audited is around 30%. Okay, average review or audit time takes maximum 15 minutes per transaction end to end. Okay, number of employees performing this task are without a team leader, then it will be team leader also. 10. It is required 0.8 as this will be calculated. Okay, process peaks rare but predictable event. Yes, process peaks rare but predictable events. Uh, Mostly after appraisals or during uh, new project launches. Average number of steps between 20 to 15 is right?
Yes.
Number of ways to complete the process uh, is completed the same way every time. Percentage of digital input is
So it's 100% digital because
100%, yeah.
PDF.
And data input, yes. Structured digital input is between 60 to 80%.
Right.
Yeah, I think it is 60 to 80%. Perfect. Add application. Oh, it doesn't list our application, so we'll just go ahead with Excel as of now. Okay, and Workday is because it's an HR app also.
Okay.
Benefits: faster turnaround time for operations, as well as inform, as well as now let's go one. Uh, Wonderful recruitment experience for recruits. Okay, database created for further evaluations and references, and this will improve morale of HR department. Okay, sounds good. Actual benefits would be uh, recruitment response time. This will be improved recruitment response time, improved closures for recruitment requests, and accurate evaluation of recruits. This is fine, and less than 5% error rate be observed to be to be achieved. Okay.
Perfect.
Expected challenges and encountered challenges during the implementation. Expected challenges, a lot of unstructured data, various templates required to be reviewed or multiple roles. Okay. Um, Outlook integration and Outlook and HR web integration encountered challenges, data accuracy to be looked at as a prime requirement, exceptions to be handled with notifications as often they are missed, and encountered challenges during implementation. And finally, uh, varied inputs from the operations team and standard communication practice to be followed for recruits. Let me just get this word correct because of the limitation. Lessons learned. Lessons learned. Nisarg.
Yep. So knowledge is cool for future reference because this is something which we have learned as a reference, while we are developing it.
Yeah. So web login credentials expiry
Exactly.
after 30 days and needs OTP. That's one thing that you need to look at. Uh, okay.
Then there is a fuzzy data logic which we might have to, handle.
Fuzzy logic, if observed, needs to be reviewed by the process
Then
owner.
there is the documents, like we are accepting PDFs, or sometimes the documents are words. Then we have to convert it into PDF, and then we have to go ahead with the process. So
Considered, if not, if received in other formats, convert them to PDFs.
yep, that's it from the development side.
Images and video associated workflow. So that's already been done as a task capture. So I don't need to do that. Similar automation, none as of now because that's my primary one. And I'm going ahead and submitting the assessment.
Perfect.
We are good with submitting the assessment now. And this is saving your changes. Success. Wonderful.
And
Perfect. Now we are at qualification awaiting review.
awaiting review. This is wonderful.
Sounds good.
Yep. So in this one, we have submitted the detailed assessment, and we have completed the third process in Automation Hub, where first of all we created an idea, then we created a process design document using task capture, and then now the third step is we have completed the assessment completely. So thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time in the next video. Thank you so much, Shrippad.
Cheers.